look who I'm going to do today.
And now you got me sipping on this pint. And now you looking at me one last time. But I ain't about to let you face me. Hurt still lingers vaguely, leaving all these L's behind. I was just bugging on something, but you know I forgot it. How did you call up my feelings?
I am excited. So are you excited? Yeah, we are very excited because doing hair restoration for the Malaysian footballer goalkeeper. So yes, thank you so much for choosing Dr. Inder and the team to do the procedure. I met him a few months ago when he came and told me that he is quite conscious about losing his hair, that he can see through his scalp, and I told him that don't worry, we'll fix him up. So here today, we are today to start this procedure, and then you're a little bit nervous?
Yeah, a little bit, but I'm excited.
Yes, I think the segment will come very soon because you're going to get hair back.
Trust you, huh?
Yes, of course. So yes, once again, we will show as we go along the whole procedure today. We're going to do a fully shaven method. You will say, doctor, no, I don't want to be fully shaven. But then fully shaven is the way to go for him because there's a lot of hair loss at the center. You can see here. So I'd rather do a fully shaven method so that I can get the angle, direction all correct and it look very natural. And he has some time for the hair to grow back. So all ready, all set? Let's thumbs up to Dr. Inder, my patient today, who's a professional footballer from Malaysia, a goalkeeper, and to my team who's going to do the procedure.
Thank you guys.
Okay, so just created a very conservative hairline, 27 years old. So we can look at it, just fill up a little bit here and there. The hairline, original hairline 7 cm, so I just went above it, filling up a little bit here. There's a lot of hair here which I also told you that might not be permanent, so let's be very conservative.
Don't make me cry.
And I'm also afraid that this line here, this hair here, you know, slowly it may also go into progressive hair loss. So your hairline may go up and it will just suit to the hairline that I'm creating today. Okay, so a little bit both on the temporal angles here, and of course his concern is more on the crown area. So let me fill up the crown area. Let me do a little bit of a very conservative procedure today, and I'm sure you can carry what I'm doing this for you for years to come. And in case you lose more hair, you're most welcome to come back home. Yes. Okay, so let's thumbs up again to start the procedure. Okay, hi everyone. And there we go. Yesterday he did his hair restoration and today he came for his hair wash and feeling so good. So you slept well last night?
Yeah.
Slept well last night?
On the front.
On the front side? Yeah, like a baby.
Like a baby.
Yeah, so we can look down a little bit and let's see. Okay, it's done in a way that when the area that is lost is hair. So basically both the temporal, this is called the temporal angles and temporal angles, still have plenty of hair in front here. So we did not do anything there, and then of course he was very conscious of his hair loss at the crown area, which we did, and also he still has his own hair there. If you look at this area, there is own hair, and the donor it's also within 1 day it looks good. So what is your experience after this procedure of 1 day? What do you feel?
No, I feel very happy. I think I look okay bald as well. So
I told you. You might look younger with bald.
But very happy with the results.
Yes.
The procedure was completely painless. Didn't feel anything. So,
exactly.
My head felt a little bit swollen last night, but no.
Well, sometimes you need to have a little bit of pain to have hair back. Then you appreciate your hair even more.
No pain, no gain.
Right, no pain, no gain. When you have a little bit pain, you must look in the mirror, shit, I have to take care of this hair. So that, you know, if otherwise I have to go through and there will be a little bit of pain. Okay?
I'm very happy.
Yes, he's very happy and my patient is very happy and this doctor is very happy. Thank you so much. Yeah, we'll keep you updated as time goes by, the results. You know, he'll be coming in to do his PRP, he's coming in to do his maintenance. And same time, when you're playing your football, you show your head like that and tell everybody. Alright, again, thank you for this small video. Bye guys.
Thank you.
I got the jet of the move. I gotta keep up my grind, I don't got better to lose, nah. And I don't just settle for nothing, now I get what I want.